Make a great choice today with the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.